Black Friday is almost the busiest shopping day of the year. People will plan their entire day around Black Friday shopping. So how can you grab a piece of the action and make money on Black Friday? That's what you'll see in this video. When trying to figure out how to make money on Black Friday, consider being a driver. Black Friday in 2020 saw 186.4 million people go shopping. 58.7 million of those people were in-person shoppers, which means they went to the stores physically. And that was during the peak of COVID. You can imagine the number of people that will show up for shopping this year thanks to vaccines and fewer restrictions. By joining a rideshare service like Uber or Lyft, you can take advantage of the demand for rideshare services on Black Friday. The prices can be higher than normal, so you can make more money. E-commerce and retail stores receive a huge number of orders and purchases on Black Friday, and they have to fulfill them on time. However, the problem is a comparative shortage of delivery services around this time, which means logistics companies hire more vehicles and drivers. Black Friday is the start of the holidays, so people need to get their items as soon as they order. When trying to figure out how to make money on Black Friday, try signing up for package, grocery, or food delivery apps and snag the Black Friday delivery gigs. Some high-paying delivery apps to work for include Amazon Flex, Roadie, GoShare, Postmates, Dispatch, Grubhub, Uber Eats, Instacart, and GoPuff. According to Amazon Flex, you can make an average of $18 to $25 per hour, and you can rake in more depending on the distance, packages, time, and location. Do you want to start an e-commerce store? Starting a dropshipping business is a great option for those learning how to make money on Black Friday. Online shopping is set to hit a record high this year, with shoppers spending $207 billion between November and December. This means that the holiday season can be the best time to launch an online store. Your online store can run Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and other holiday sales. The demand for toys, video games, personal care products, jewelry, grocery, books, gift cards, and electronics will spike during the holiday season, so you'll have plenty of business. Chances are, you have some extra stuff that you don't use at home. Instead of going to the store like the rest of Black Friday shoppers, you can take that day to declutter and sell items you don't use. Look around your space for electronics, toys, tools, clothes, furniture, books, appliances, or vintage items in good condition to resell. Think your junk isn't worth anything? It is. You can sell used items in marketplaces like Declutter for hundreds or thousands of dollars. Everyone wants to go out and snag deals on Black Friday, but it can be a challenge for parents, guardians, and pet owners to get time away. You can offer a baby or pet sitting services. A dog sitter can earn $14 per hour on average, and a babysitter can make $16.75 per hour to care for one child, depending on where you live. So how do you get baby or pet sitting gigs? Checking online, of course. You can get babysitting jobs with these apps: Sitterly, Care.com, Urban Sitter, Bambino, and Sitter City. Get pet sitting jobs on Rover, Wag, Petsitter.com, Sitter4Paws, and Holodog. It's a good time to thumbs up if you are enjoying the video, isn't it? Thank you so much for being here. Now let's get back to the video. After Black Friday is the Christmas season, so many shoppers buy presents and decoration items during this time in preparation for the holiday season. 43% of people in the US start their shopping in October, and Black Friday is the peak time for buying items. You can handcraft Christmas decor and gifts and sell them online or offline on Black Friday and throughout the holiday season. Also, you can DIY and sell other Christmas items like wreaths, trees, cards, and much more. Create an Etsy store to sell your DIY items. Then, don't forget to promote yourself on social media sites like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Do you have merch that you sell online? Black Friday is the perfect time to boost your sales. Create and optimize your online shop for maximum sales. 50% of global internet traffic comes from mobile devices, so make sure that customers can place orders on your e-commerce store using their phones. Also, create Black Friday offers and make sure that you promote them 1 week ahead of Black Friday. You can use social media and ads to promote your products and create awareness of your offers and discounts. Another excellent way to generate revenue on Black Friday is to sell Amazon products. This type of side hustle is different from Amazon affiliates. FBA means fulfilled by Amazon, and it means that you store your merchandise in Amazon warehouses, and they fulfill the customer orders for you. You should note that with Amazon FBA, you should have products, and Amazon will handle the rest. Also, remember that Amazon FBA charges you a small fee for operations, including order fulfillment, customer management, and storage space. This strategy is good if you have products ready to sell. Are you a professional VA? Black Friday and the holiday season, in general, is the best time to get more gigs. E-commerce entrepreneurs are super busy at this time and always looking for support. Pitch your store management, customer support, email marketing, graphic design, social media management, copywriting services, and much more. There are countless ways to find clients as a virtual assistant. For instance, you can use job boards like Indeed or freelance marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr. Also, did you know that you can find virtual assistant gigs on Shopify? You can join the Shopify Partners Program and snag designing, branding, copywriting, marketing, store management, and more freelance jobs. You can also apply for or look for VA jobs on social media sites like Facebook and LinkedIn. Another surefire way to make money on Black Friday is to buy and resell products later. You can take advantage of the crazy discounts on Black Friday to purchase products for reselling. The trick to buying items for reselling is finding items that will earn you profit. Check the prices of items on sale in the stores during Black Friday and compare the prices on e-commerce stores. You can use tools like CamelCamel.com to track prices, so you know which items to purchase for reselling. Once you find your products, you can resell them on e-commerce sites like Amazon and eBay after the Black Friday craze is over. Black Friday is not only a crazy discounts day but also the perfect time to get cash back. There are apps and tools to help you find cashback deals like RetailMeNot. This website has a tool finder to help you track down the best deals and get coupons, rewards, and cashback. This one couldn't be out of this list because I am a part of this community, so as I have consolidated channels running my business here, I can say to you that building your business through YouTube is one of the best ways of consolidating a stable and profitable business. Firstly, because it's free to create your YouTube channel, and secondly because anyone can start a YouTube channel. It doesn't matter if you want to be a YouTuber, promote your store, link your social media, or create content even without showing your face. It's possible to be succeeded doing it, because you can reach a great number of people worldwide, and you are paid for every 1,000 views which you do on your channel. This is just a brief about what you are capable of doing here, but I didn't say at any moment that to be succeeded would be easy. You need to follow the right strategy for things to work. You know, you'll make some mistakes, which is normal and is a part of the process, but if you do many things wrong and don't know how to fix it, you will get frustrated and start blaming yourself for having failed on your business. I want to congratulate you for watching this far, and as a way of thanking you for your time, I'm leaving you free training on how to make money without recording videos or even showing your face. Just click on the link in the video description to learn more. It's reliable and with proven results. Take a look there and you'll understand what I'm talking about. I hope these tips can help you, and if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. It helps a lot in channel engagement and to know that I'm producing good content for you. If you are new, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. I'm starting this project now, so it would be great to have you as my subscriber. It's you who makes this channel grow and reach more people. You can be sure of that, so, from now on, thank you so much for being here. That's it for today. See you soon.